Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to set how to set chassis name in CentOS Stream 8 operating system. So chassis means nothing but your computer is a virtual machine or desktop or laptop or a server or a session, something like that, right? So you can set those to chassis name. So here you can see that chassis name is set as a VM, okay, which means this is a virtual machine. You can also uh, reset or change this chassis name accordingly. Okay, so now I am setting the chassis name as a desktop. There are some predefined names, chassis names. Please refer the hostname CTL man pages. So it will accept only valid chassis name. Okay. So desktop. So desktop is a valid chassis name. So you can also change icon name is changed to computer icon desktop. Okay. So now I am going to clear the. Sorry, we can't clear the chassis name. I am going to put back the previous value. Chassis name cannot be cleared. It will be some. It will have some value by default. Okay. So this is the way we need to set the chassis name in CentOS Stream 8 operating system using hostname CTL command.